Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essar and I am so glad to have you guys here. So as you can tell, I am in a totally different background from what you're used to, and it is because of I guess already seen it in the title. So I recently just opened up my own studio and I thought that I would give you guys a quick tour. I'm still going to change it up a lot. It's still the first month that I've been here, so I haven't quite figured out where I want everything. So everything that you guys will see is just there for the moment, but I'm sure the next time you guys I give you a tour of the complete studio, it will be totally different from what you see. So without talking too much, this is the studio. So keep in mind that it is a bit disarranged right now because I cleaned it up yesterday and now I want to prepare it for a client. So let me just give you the tour. So this is the door where I was standing at, and the first thing when you enter is you see the studio itself, the setup. So like I was saying, I currently want to set up for a client, which I think I will show you guys. But this is, so the house is a 1-bedroom. So this is the main area. So that is where I shoot from. And then we have the kitchen, a small kitchen. So that is just what it looks like. The sink, everything there, the water that you guys will drink when you come. And then me being me, the only thing that I have on my shelf is coffee. So that is the kitchen. Then like the place is still incomplete, so that's why you can see the door to the kitchen is new and hasn't been painted. Then we have the washroom. So we have there some utilities, and then the toilet, and then there's a shower which I'm supposed to get a shower head for. So if you guys come and want to take a shower, you're welcome to do that. Then we have a sink and a tiny mirror, which reminds me that I'm still to buy a mirror. So that is the main area. So you can see we have lights, we have the backdrop, we have stools where you can sit on. There's another one here. We have the chairs, but these are like waiting chairs. Then we have the second bedroom. No, this is actually the bedroom. So we just have my table there, which I've been using as my office, but this is where I actually want the backdrop to be and the studio to be. So I want this area to be like the welcoming area, so you guys don't see what is happening when you first walk in. So I'll change that up. And then so here we have my table. That's a pink table that you've seen me DIY and you've seen in my house. And then we have this area, which is the storage area. I don't have anything that I'm currently storing. So yeah, that is the tour. So as you guys can see, it's still pretty simple and new. Like I was saying, I'm going to change up this area to be the welcoming area, and there's so much work that is still to be done. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know that I had opened up the studio. So that's why I actually did the video, because I didn't want to leave people in suspense. So you guys are welcome at any time. Of course, you have to make a booking, but I hope that you guys will be my first clients. So about the place, it's in Nairobi West, Gandhi Avenue, and it's basically a house, a 1-bedroom house, which I turned into my studio because I just felt like it would have more space than most commercial spaces, and the price would be better. It fit my budget well. And the complex I'm in actually has offices and everything, so it just worked out great. So right now I want to get the area ready for a client, so I'll just give you guys a quick what is it called? I don't know. So you'll just see a clip of me getting the area ready for her. So yeah. So guys, that is basically my setup. So when my client comes, she will just choose between one of the 1, 2, 3 and 4 sitting stools that she wants, and then we'll just put it there and go on. So I will see if I will show you a few clips of the shoot, and then yeah, so we can see how that goes. So just to give you so this is what the lighting looks like when you are getting your shot done, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, this is what you guys will be feeling and going through when you come to the studio. So remember, you guys are always welcome. For the month of September, we actually have an offer, which I'm still deciding if it will go on to October. So for the month of September, for every photo that we take, when you choose to have that photo edited and take it with you, that is 250 shillings. So the offer is 250 bob per soft copy edited picture. So you guys are very welcome. If you haven't seen any of my work, you can check out my pages. I will put the name here, or you can also check the description for the links to my Facebook and my Instagram, and you can see for yourself the kind of work that I've done. So yeah. Oh yeah, I also forgot to say, so for anyone who is watching and is a photographer or a YouTube content creator, I am actually going to be renting out the space. So if you feel like you need the equipment, the only thing you have with you is your camera, or even if you don't have your camera and you'd like to rent the space, the space will be available for renting. So if you have a client and you don't have anywhere to shoot, trust me, I know the feeling. Or if you have content to create but you don't know how to create it and you'd like for someone to help you, I also know the feeling. So I am going to be here for you guys if you need help with that. If you'd like to rent out the space, you can also contact me in my, you can DM me on my pages or email me. So yeah. Hey guys, so I just got a delivery and I'm still at the studio, and I just wanted for us to open them together. So these are mounts of pictures. The first mount that I am having of my pictures. So, big reveal. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, there. This is of Zari. You guys know Zari, my daughter. So she was my first client. I took photos of her and I mounted the photo. Like, I am so tempted to take this home, but I need clients to be able to see photos. And the second one is, oh my god, I know Steffi is going to come and steal this one. So this is Steffi. You guys know Steffi also, my sister. She looks so beautiful. Steffi was my second client. So, oh wow, I know she's going to steal this one and she's going to have to pay for it. Steffi, I will never use in a nice picture. So yeah, I was just having those delivered. This is actually the first time I am seeing my work on mounts. Like, it's surreal. Yeah, so that is it. I don't know if I should sign. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm just so excited. I don't know if I should sign the mounts, but I mean, everyone will. If someone sees the work when they come in, I'm guessing they'll assume it's my work. So I'm just going to hang them up. Let's go hang them up. So there are already nails in the studio. So let's just see how that will work. And the good thing is it comes with this clip. So guys, I have just put up Zari's photo. Let's focus. She looks so beautiful. So that's the first one. And then now let's put up Steffi's. I'm not sure whether to put it near the door or on this other side of the wall. I feel like this side of the wall needs something bigger. But for the time being, so that is Steffi's photo. Wow, she looks so beautiful. So that's her photo up there. Like I was saying, I feel like this space needs something so much bigger. I actually have a few ideas for it. But for the meantime, as it's still empty, as I'm still working on my ideas and budget and such, it will just stay there. So there you have it, Steffi and Zari on the other side. So today is Monday. The last time I spoke to you guys was on Friday. I know I had said that I was going to shoot to show you guys the client who was coming in, but I just thought about it and I was just like, I'm not sure if a client would be comfortable with their shoot being portrayed on my channel. So I think I'll wait for when I'm having a model over or someone who I'm not charging, so that I can be able to show you guys the process. So yeah, that is just it. I guess this video will just be about the studio, and I'm glad that I haven't posted it before you guys could see the mounts. So that is also another thing that I'll be doing in case someone wants mounts of their photos. I will also be doing that. And yeah, so I guess that is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys will come back for more videos. I hope to see you guys here in the studio for a photo shoot. Please remember that this month of September we're having an offer. It's 250 baht per pic. So take advantage and pass by. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your support. Yeah. Bye.